Hello everyone. Let us start the chapter number 1, that is knowing our numbers. Right? This is the introduction video so that you can understand which topics and which methods we will learn in this chapter. Okay? Knowing our numbers. We all know the numbers, right? Every day in day-to-day life, we use numbers in many places, right? For example, if I ask how many books is there in your bag, then you will give me answer in terms of number, right? 5 books, 6 books, like that. We use numbers in terms of money also, right? 20 rupee note, 50 rupee note. Okay, so basically everywhere we use the numbers. Okay, now here you can see 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore, right? We can write the numbers in this way, usually in our Indian system. Okay, so here let us try to write these words in number, in digits. Okay, so first number you have given is 23 lakh 75,300. So 73 lakh, okay, that is 73 lakh, then 75,000, 75,302, okay, that is 302. So this way you can write the numbers in terms of, you can write the words in terms of numbers. Okay, now the reverse process. Here you have given the digit, okay, and you want to convert it into the words. Okay, so let us start with this digit. Okay, since you need 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Okay, so what we have? 9 crore. Okay, we have 9 crore, 99 lakh. Okay, 9 crore, 99 lakh, and then you have 0 zeros. Okay, and lastly you have 46. So you will directly write the 46. So 9 crore, 9 lakh, 46. Second topic is estimation by the general rule. Estimation means what? Means rounding of the number. For example, if you are having 29 rupees, then you will say, I have approximately 30 rupees, right? Means convert the number near to the 10 or near to 100 or near to the 1000, right? So here one example is given. This is, you want to add 730 and 998, right? Now we can see 730 is near to which 100? I mean 730 is in between 700 and 800. Okay, but 730 is near to 700, right? So we will write 730 as a 700 and 998, which is in between 900 and 1000. But it is near to 1000, so we will write 998 as a 1000, right? Then you plus 700 and 1000, which will give you what? 1700. Okay, so in this way you can do the estimation. Now let us start the B part. 28,292 minus 21,496. Okay, you want to estimate this subtraction. Okay, So now we know that 28,292 is in between 28,000 and 29,000. So now the question is, which we should select, 28,000 or 29,000, right? So you think again, 28,292 is near to which? 28,000, right? So we will write the 28,000. Next number is this, 21,496. Now 21,496 is again in between 22 and 22,000 and 21,000, right? But 21,496 is near to which thousand? 21,000. So we will take 21,000. So 28,000 minus 21,000 will give you 7,000. Okay. So this is the way for estimation in subtraction. Okay. Let us do the estimation of 3 digits. Right. 439 plus 334 plus 4,317. Okay. So now here you see first 2 digits are hundreds, right? 439 plus 334. So we will add them and we will get this 763 plus the remaining number 4,317. Okay. Now let us round off. Okay. 763 is near to 1000. Okay. And 4,317 is in between 4,000 and 5,000, right? But you can see here 4,317 is near to 4,000, right? It is more near to the 4,000, so we will have 4,000. Okay. Now 1,000 plus 4,000 will give you 5,000, right? So 5,000 is the appropriate answer. Next topic is the Roman numbers. Okay. In India, we use the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, right? But in the country Roman, they use the alphabet for denotation, for denoting the number. Okay, for example, I represents 1. Okay, double I represent 2, triple I 3, I V 4, V means 5 and so on. Okay, likewise 30 they represent it as triple X. Okay, so basically we can say 1 they represent as I, 5 they represent as V, 10 X, L, 100 C, 500 D and 1000 M, right? For example, if I want to write 69 in terms of Roman numbers, then how can I write? This is the example. See this. 69 can be written as 60 plus 9, right? And 60 we can write it as 50 plus 10 and 9 as it is, right? 59 will give you basically 69. Okay. Now 50, how can you write in terms of Roman numbers? It is L, right? So L plus 10. 10 can you write it as X? Okay. So Lx will give you 50 plus 10, that is 60. Okay, and 9 you get it as Ix. So basically Lx plus Ix will give you Lx Ix. That is, you can say 69. Okay, now 98. 98 is basically 90 plus 8, and 90 is what? 100 minus 10 plus 8. That will also give you 90. Now 100 you can write as C, and 10 you can write it as X. So if you want to write 90, then you can write it as XC, and 8 you can write it as V triple I. Okay. So XC plus V triple I will ultimately give you XCV triple I, that is 98. Okay. Now next is 72. 72 you can write it 20 plus 2, and that can be written as 50 plus 20 plus 2. Now 50, how you can write? It is L. 50 is L. 20 is double X. Okay, so L double X will give you 70 plus 2, that is double I. So L double X double I will give you ultimately 72. So this is all about the first chapter, knowing our numbers. Okay, what you have learned in this chapter? Basically the numbers, how you can write numbers in words, right? Estimation and rounding off, right? This kind of things you have learned in